Brass Eagle Adventures and the Algorithm. Brass Eagle Adventure Team HQ, Central Valley, California. Operations Command Center.
We've extracted a wealth of new data from the device found in the derelict warehouse. There are some disturbing revelations.
Such as?
Surveillance footage from across the city, but the underlying motive remains unclear.
Strange for the Black Knight satellite to have this data archived.
And there's more. It's been tracking top-secret communications between world powers.
That's unsettling. What else is there?
It's amassing a vast intel database.
If the myths are true, it's been orbiting Earth for 13,000 years. Ample time to observe humanity.
But to what end? That's the enigma.
A few weeks later, somewhere in the city, hidden in an old building, Brass Eagle Adventure Team's secret listening post.
Whiskey, Oscar, Mike, Bravo.
Ricky, I've tapped into a transmission. It seems a new algorithm, potentially for terrorist use, is being discussed. And they're referencing the Black Knight satellite.
We need to report this.
Commander Cora, come in.
Commander, you have an urgent call from Isabella on a secure channel.
Connect her.
Isabella, you're on.
Commander, we've intercepted group chatter. They're talking about the Black Knight satellite and a novel algorithm for terrorism. I'm forwarding the details now. Over.
Received, Isabella. Stay vigilant. Over and out. Time to analyze this new intel back at HQ.
A few days later at the Brass Eagle Adventure Team's HQ.
Andy, this is astounding. The Black Knight satellite has devised an algorithm capable of predicting human actions. In the wrong hands, it could anticipate our every move.
So there's nowhere to hide from it.
Precisely. And there's another piece to the puzzle, a remote location in the High Sierras linked to the database.
We should investigate.
The snowstorm has made the roads impassable.
If we can get close enough, perhaps a drone could do the reconnaissance.
Agreed. Let's set off.
The end, and the adventures continue. Thanks for watching. Click the like button if you liked this video. Subscribe if you are not already. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Share this video with a friend or family. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.